Unit 20. Unit 20. Night. Night. Time. Eja. Wusu. Wusu. Mina. Mina. Down. Children. Telling. Anansi. Story. What do you see in the picture? Ejawusu. Ejawusu is sitting on a stool. This is Ejawusu sitting on a stool. Mama Mina is also sitting down. So this is Mama Mina also sitting down by Ejawusu. Mama Mina is Ejawusu's wife. So Mama Mina is Ejawusu's wife. Ejawusu is telling them an Anansi story. Ejawusu is telling them an Anansi story. Children like Anansi stories. Do they? So you can send your answer to the comment section below. Do you think that children like stories or Anansi stories? You can send your comment or your answer to the comment section below.